higher, saying I.
Say what's your price, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Now let's say you love me.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yours on this side, yours over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You might have to rise before this can't be our first time. We might have to before this stays for sure. I'm looking for some things that I've never. You gotta share with somebody but love for the blue fire. You might have to rise before this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me, stop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lilo and I'm back with another vlog, as you can see by the title of the video. And please excuse my crusty self. Like, you already know that there's something going on underneath whenever I wear a cap. I am tired, guys. Like, I'm so tired. I woke up like a while ago. Yeah, I woke up a while ago and I still feel tired. However, I got a package today. And I'd like to unbox it with you guys. I do have an idea of what it is, but I'll be unboxing it with you guys and just walking through what it is and what it's for. So yeah, if this is your first time coming here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and join our family. And if you're a returning subby, welcome back, Alice Scott member. So yeah, I got this package around 10 a.m. So when the delivery guy came, I literally just woke up, took the delivery, went back to bed, and I was like, you know what, I'll just unbox it when I get the time. So right now, I'm about to clean the house and do some laundry. Yeah. Okay, I'm working on another campaign with Rimmel. So it's another campaign with another makeup brand, and I'm just so grateful and overwhelmed at this point. Like, God is so amazing, guys. Like, God is so good. I hope I'm in frame, because I'm gonna trip if I find that I'm not in frame. Like, I'm literally gonna trip because I took so much time setting up this camera with my malfunctioning ring lights. So I just pray that I'm in frame. Let me actually check, because I don't want to keep recording then find out later that I was not in frame. I'm gonna freak out. Okay, it turns out I was in frame, but not how I wanted to, so I had to quickly fix that. So yeah, let's unbox this package so I can show you guys what's inside. As I've said, I already have an idea of what it is, but I'd like to show you guys when I unbox this. I was supposed to bring scissors. Ow! There you go. Okay, Rimmel. I see you, girl. I see you. I feel gangster for how I'm wrapping this thing. Like, I'm so rough with it. Okay, finally. Ooh. So this is the packaging. So this is the packaging. I hope it's in frame. So cute. And then first up, is this letter. Let me read what it says. Rimmel's all new lasting finish 35-hour foundation is here, and we want you to be one of the first people to try it. It's the same foundation that you love with the new look and formula. The base part, it's got skin loving niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, plus it's life proof, so it'll always be there when you need it. So yeah, just by reading that, you guys already have an idea that I'll be trying out Rimmel's foundation. So I was given a choice to pick two foundations that could be like close to my skin tone. So I'm really nervous about this because I had to do it online. I couldn't test it on my skin, so I hope I picked the right shades. I just pray I picked the right shades. Like, so these are the foundations. Alright, this is the first one, and where's the shade? Okay, this is the first one, and it's deep olive. And then the second one is warm tan. So yeah, I just hope these are the right shades, hey? I'm scared. But yeah, guys, that's what we are doing. I'll be testing out these foundations, so please do look out for my posts and do the right thing. You know what that is to interact with my posts. I will really appreciate it. And for every one of you guys who've been like interacting on my posts and just engaging, I really do appreciate you guys. That means a lot. It never goes unnoticed. Like, thank you guys so much. And yeah, man. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, that's just about it, about this package. I will see you guys. I'd be lying if I said I knew, honestly. I don't know them. But yeah, there's quite a few things I need to do around the house. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today's a Monday. And I had quite a busy day. It's been such a long time since I spoke to you guys. Okay, it hasn't been that long, but it's been a long time, like quite a few days now. Yeah. Last time I spoke to you guys was when I got my Rimmel London delivery, and today's a Monday. I shot the content. It was supposed to go up yesterday, which was a Sunday. Like, I'm late for my deadline, but I'm about to edit that video and post it. Like, I had a busy week, so I could not get anything done. Like, literally coming back from work, I was tired. So yeah, a lot has happened since the last time I spoke to you guys. I did my hair, got new press-ons. What else? Oh, my flowers even died. Yeah, my flowers died. So yeah, reason why I'm here today is because I'm about to cook, so I thought I should just bring you guys with me to the kitchen while I cook. Yeah, that's basically just it. So right now, let's go to the kitchen to cook.
Just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today is a Sunday and I just took a shower, so I'm about to run a few errands now. I'm actually about to leave the house. So yeah, I have quite a busy day today. I need to do a few things. Right now, that's where I'll be heading to, and then I'm also taking my sister out for lunch because yesterday was her birthday. So yeah, we're going for lunch. And what else do I have? Oh, I have to create content as well for It's the last post that I have to do for the Rimmel London campaign, and then later on I have to go to church. So yeah, I think that would be my itinerary for the day. Also, I want to redo this ponytail because I feel like it's, yeah, so I hope I get the time when I come back because our reservation is at 2:30. And right now it's 11 a.m. So I really hope I get the time because I have to do my makeup and I have to create that Rimmel London post. So it includes me getting ready here in the house and just trialing the foundation throughout the day. So yeah, that is what's happening. However, I'll be taking you guys throughout everything that I do today. So today I hope things go well for me. I hope I'm able to vlog while I'm shopping and really crossing my fingers for that. Because, you know, me and vlogging in public do not mix. You guys know me too well. Also, I love this ponytail, ne? God, I hate these things, and I was cutting a few off last time. I don't like these things because this is the clip-on ponytail. So anytime every time I go to bed, I take it off. I don't like these things. I'll try cutting them off again. Okay, so these edges don't have to be perfect because like I'm going to wash my hair anyway when I come back. I really hope I get the time, eh? I hope so. Yeah, no, I definitely need to redo this ponytail. Yeah. Alright, so I was actually waiting for Uber prices to go down because they were insane. They were literally so insane. So I think they've dropped right now. So I think I'm good to go. I can request them. Also, I need to fix these nails. Yo, hey, there's a lot going on in my life, hey? There's just a lot. And also, with these press-ons, I don't think I like them that much. It was a matter of just getting ones that are better than the rest. Because at China Mall, guys, they sell those two decorated ones, like they're very much decorated, and I didn't want that. Just wanted something plain and cute and just simple. So I had to opt for these ones. These ones were closest to what I was looking for. I definitely need to see my nail tech soon. I need to start my rubber-based journey because ain't no way, child. I've been postponing that for too long now. I think it's about time I got my rubber-based journey started. So this is the best thing that ever happened to me, especially in winter. It's thin. Alright guys, I think I have to request now. We are all good to go. Skin honey. Period. Yeah, my skin is really skinning. Hey, don't mind my ponytail. Look at the skin. Focus on the skin. Skin honey. Period. Wow. This is the only thing I like about winter, that my skin will pop, hey? My skin will really pop in winter. But I just want it gone. I'm tired of it. Anyway guys, let me request, I will see you guys inside the Uber, or when I get to the store. I'll see which is which, but I'll see you guys soon. And I know you guys are probably judging me for that toothbrush that I was using for my edges. Guys, please, hey, I do have an edge brush. It's just that it's with my sister. So that's why I was using a toothbrush, because I know. But anyway, my Uber is downstairs, so I'll catch you when I go there.
All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night, say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love is just, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. It's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call.
Hey guys, I'm only able to speak to you guys now. You guys know that I had quite a busy day. Now we got the girl behind me. So right now we're on our way to church, and we are so late. I'm not proud about that, by the way. So I will catch you guys once we get to church.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Marriage is not an achievement, but a healthy marriage is, right? And I'm going to say this. We don't fix things through marriage only. Some things need to be fixed in the sense that, for instance, you are praying and fasting against lust. You are 35. You're praying and fasting against lust. On 35. 35.
Hey guys, we just got back from church right now. It was quite a hectic day today, and I hardly spoke to you guys, but I tried. And hopefully all the footage that I have for this vlog will be enough. So I think I'll be closing my vlog right now. So I'm about to cook just a quick supper, and then yeah, it's nothing deep honestly, so I don't think I should be showing you guys. I mean, I also feel like I keep doing the same things on my vlog, and I'd like to change that. So yeah, as I was saying guys, I feel like I keep doing the same things on my vlog. Like, I'm always cooking. Okay, not always, but I'm always vlogging when I'm cooking, and I feel like it gets boring at some point. I don't know if you guys agree with that. You can just put it down in the comments and tell me how you feel about that. But anyway, I am closing this vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and for all of you who are new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family and just growing the numbers on the channel. Guys, I'm so exhausted. Like, I'm really sorry for this outro, but I gotta do what I gotta do, you know. So yeah, without rambling any further, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.